Today we're having the first formal naming and opening of Chelsea Quay. This is the sneak peek event before we open it to the public later in the year.
I'm the artist who has been commissioned for the Tideway project here at the Chelsea embankment. The one thing I was very interested in on this site in particular is that the riverbed changes. There is clay deposits on one side and sand deposits on the other side. And the combination became glazed bricks, using sand to glaze and using the clay to construct the bricks in this work.
We're delighted that we'll be joined shortly by the Princess Royal. She was here during COVID to see how we were getting on during the pandemic. She went into the tunnel and tightened some bolts on the river wall, and she's coming back now to see the finished article. She is President of the Royal Academy of Engineering, and she's always taken an interest in what we've been up to, so we'll be delighted to see her back here again today.
The skill and craftsmanship, especially of the bricklayers on the site, is quite extraordinary. I hope they win lots of awards for their achievement, but it's really quite extraordinary what they were able to do.
What we've built here at Chelsea Quay mirrors the heritage of the building of the Royal Hospital and the Bull Ring, and obviously the Chelsea pensioners are our local residents here, so important part of our community.
We're all ex-army, so there's a different language you speak. We've all been through the same sort of things, and it's great to have somebody there that you can talk to. It's great living in the Royal Hospital. Once I made the decision to come in here, I never looked back.
We then have the reception, where we've got 40 of our close stakeholders, those who have been involved in the project since the very beginning, coming together to celebrate a kind of more wider celebration of our landscaping, public art and public realm that we've created across the project as a whole.
And it is now with great pleasure that I would like to invite Your Royal Highness to unveil this commemorative plaque to formally open Chelsea Quay.
Chelsea Quay will be the first of the sites in the central section of the project that we open this year, which makes this event even more significant as we kind of look ahead to opening more of our areas of public realm as we go through the year.